Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So today I'll be talking to you about my own brand of cuticle oil. It's an antifungal cuticle oil and I'd like you guys to watch till the end. Thank you all for your support. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Ademida Bimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. So sometimes ago, I started doing nails in about 13 to 14 years ago when I was at the university. I think I was in 12 level to be precise. I started doing nails and ever since then I've been doing nails. Even I think at the point I worked in an office and I came back to doing nails. Now, about 3 to 4 years ago or 5 years ago, I heard about cuticle oil and the benefits it has on the cuticle and nail growth. I decided to buy one I saw on AliExpress. So the first few ones I used, I bought them from AliExpress. Then I think there's this very common product, I think Star Nails or something. I bought their product as well and I was doing it for a while. Then because of the kind of background that I have in science, and I studied pure industrial chemistry at the university. So because of my kind of background, I started, I started doing what they call it now. I started doing research on how to get cuticle oil that can prevent fungal infection, and I stumbled upon this particular formula I'm using now. So I started mixing my own cuticle oil, I think about 2 years ago or a year ago thereabouts. I started mixing them myself, and ever since I've been using them for my clients, most of them, they don't have any complaint about fungal infection or whatsoever, and they have healthy cuticles. So I decided to package this product, cuticle oil, and to start selling to my clients because they're supposed to be, I tell them that they should massage oils on their cuticle maybe once in a day after they come in to do nails. That it's good for their, it's good for their cuticle area, so it can nourish it, and all. But most of them always ask me that, where can I buy it or what can I use, and I always try to give them product they can buy for that. So I decided to I started to pack this and start selling this. And there are two major ingredients in this cuticle oil that I would like to talk about. One is coconut oil. So I'll be reading from my screen here what are the benefits of coconut oil on the nails or the cuticle area. So now, one says it strengthens brittle and cracked nails. A lot of people have this bad habit of ripping their nails off when they are taking either stick-ons or either acrylic nails. They just don't have the patience to soak it off, so they just decide to rip it off. So all these practices are the things that cause brittle nails or cracked nails. So apart from stopping ripping nails off, one of the things that can actually heal these nails and make them grow properly is the usage of coconut oil on the nails. Also, coconut oil treats damaged cuticles. Some people have this habit of cutting their skin. They say it's cuticle, and I tell them this is not cuticle, this is a bleaching, but they have this way of cutting it and say they want to make it neat, and that causes damaged nails, damaged cuticles. So coconut oil has the power to actually heal these damaged cuticles. Coconut oil, using coconut oil on the nails also prevent nail ridges. As one grows, as we are aging, we use a lot of vitamins and all. So this natural process can cause nail ridges, and the continuous massage of coconut oil into the cuticle can actually prevent nail ridges. Then it cures hangnails. some of us have these loose skins at the side of our nails, and a lot of people try to bite it. They either bite it off or they pull it out. Any which way, this can cause the nails, fingernails to have infection. So the continuous massaging of coconut oil into the cuticle area can also cure hangnails and make the cuticle area and the skin area around the nails healthy. Also, coconut oil can also treat nail fungus. So and because of the properties of coconut oil, or the benefit of coconut oil on the cuticle area, on the nails in general, I decided to add another oil, which is an essential oil called tea tree oil. We all know that tea tree oil has antifungal properties and antibacterial properties. So the antifungal property of tea tree oil can actually prevent and heal or cure fungal infection of the nails. So this two oil are the major components of my cuticle oil brand, and I have packaged it in 5 ml container. I actually decided to use at first when I thought about packaging this oil, I thought about using nail polish bottle, brand new nail polish bottle for it. But then again, I thought, okay, most people will not want to have that kind of bottle in their bags or in their purses, and I decided to go for this pen, because this pen is like it's the size of a mascara. You can actually put it in your purse or put it in your bag anywhere you're going. And instead of waiting to come to my place every once in a month to get these treatments, you can actually have it in your bag and apply it by yourself anytime you want to apply it, And so I'm going to be showing you a close-up video of what this look like, what I put inside. I just decided to add a little bit of glitters. My name is Glitters and Polish. I just like glitters, I love glitters. So I decided to put a little bit of glitters in this cuticle just to beautify it, and a little bit of fimo clay just to make it look nice. And also I used green because tea tree oil is a little bit greenish, so I decided to use it so it can really represent the tea tree oil I'm talking about. So this is an antifungal cuticle oil that can prevent you from getting infected with fungal infection. And also, if you are in Lagos State or in anywhere in Nigeria and are interested in purchasing this item, you can send me a DM on Instagram or on Twitter or on Facebook. I have just one name across all social media platforms. I use Glitters and Polish on all my social media platforms. So the amount is just 1,000 naira. 1,000 naira for this. It's not expensive, it's cheap. So just send me a DM on Instagram or Twitter or Facebook or on TikTok. I'm going to reply you, and we do business. So that's what I asked for today. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you are coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademidu Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of this family. And when you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Till next time, guys. Bye.
wanting more, shut it. But till you give me is not enough. Oh. You know, say me, I know I'm falling in love, shut it. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh, baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Baby, look, baby. You be look, baby. Look, baby. What have you done to me? Oh, got me chasing after you. What have you done to me, my Bella? Got me chasing after you. Yeah. Oh yeah, talk to me, oh mama. My long room so me die with you, oh. Baby. All I seek, I find it in you. All I seek, I find it in you. And I'm falling for you, falling, yeah. And I'm calling to you, calling, yeah. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Oh baby, I'm getting jealous. Don't wanna see you with anybody. Oh, I'm getting jealous already. Said I'm getting addicted, oh, I'm getting addicted to you. Said I'm getting addicted, oh,